This is a video about conversation in French, and I'm going to give you a tip to understand some questions in French coming up. Hello, my friend. My name is Claire, and my mission is to teach you French with a smile. So, French people have this way of turning every sentence, an affirmation, a statement, into a question, keeping the same order of the words within that sentence, just with a rising intonation. Let's see that. Tu bois? Are you drinking? So I'm not saying tu bois, I'm saying tu bois. Repeat with me, my friend. Tu bois? Now, after drinking, we eat. Il a mangé? Has he eaten? Encore une fois. Il a mangé? Ensemble. Il a mangé? Very good. And you will hear a lot of these French people say, on y va? On y va? It is, shall we go? Let's go. And I'm not saying on y va. I'm saying on y va? On y va? Shall we go? Encore une fois. On y va? Ensemble, repeat with me. On y va? Very good. Let's continue, my friend. Vous descendez? Are you going down? Encore une fois. Vous descendez? Ensemble. Vous descendez? Very good. Excellent. The last one. Elles sont déjà arrivées? Have they arrived yet? Elles sont déjà arrivées? Ensemble, say it with me, my friend. Elles sont déjà arrivées? Excellent! Congratulations! You did it! Okay, if you want the slides, come on over to the website frenchwithasmile.net. If you want a one-to-one lesson with me or another great French tutor, click the link below. I teach on pre-apply. And I see you soon on French with a smile. Bye-bye!